everyone and welcome to my class. Today I'm going to present on the topic quantitative research. So first of all I'm going to talk about the meaning of quantitative. So quantitative means like which we can count, measure and the amount, means numerical in number. And the research means like discovering new knowledge which is already which has already existed, means existing from before. So quantitative research, it deals with first one is quantities or numbers. So it deals with like numbers, okay, numerical numbers. And the second, it does that how much and how many, means how much means like how many in numbers. So for example, like in quantitative research, like suppose for example take IPA University. So like we are trying to conduct a research like how many female faculties, means teaching faculties are there in our IPA University. So for that first I have to find out like whole the numbers, like in our university, like how many faculties are there. So I'll take down, the researcher will write down the names, mean the number of the faculties. So like suppose 500 numbers are there. So like the researcher will take note of like how all the faculties number, and like from there like they will find out like how many female faculties are there and male faculties. So suppose like out of 500, total 500 faculties, like 250 faculties are female and 250 faculties are male. So and out of the 500, the 250 quantities numbers are there, means the researcher will take the numbers.
It's not research, it's a survey.
A survey. Means quantitative research means like collecting data and analyzing it like to answer the questions in numerical form. So the characteristics of quantitative research are like number one, it is research design. Research design. So quantitative research they follows like structured and predefined research design. So the designs are like experiments, surveys, and like observational studies, mean they will observe. And the second one is data collection. So the second point is data collection. So the researcher will collect the means data by using like standardized instruments like surveys, questionnaires, and tests. Means they will with the help of like questionnaires, means they will write the questionnaires. Means the researcher will write. It can be like 50 questionnaires or like 100 questionnaires. So they will they will make use of it to collect the data. And the third point is sampling. And here the researcher will collect the sample from the target population. Means suppose like if the researcher is collecting, it means trying to research from his IPA University. So the researcher will collect the population from IPA University. And the third point is fourth point.
Conscientious analysis.
Okay.
So the fourth one is analysis. Here the researcher will use statistical techniques means for analyzing the data, and by using mean, media, and standardized deviation. And the fifth point is interpretation.
I will go mad if I take so many pages.
As the researchers is collected data, and after sampling and data collection and all, so the researcher need to interpret, means to bring the conclusion what the researcher he or she has found in his research work.
After sampling, are you going to collect data? Data collection.
Reporting. So the researcher will report means what he or she has found out, by means it can be in a chart wise, pie chart. Suppose the total population or the strength is 500. So from there means suppose if 250 population are male teacher, faculty, and 250 are female. So out of 100%, 50% will be male. 50% will be male, and 50% of total population will be 50. So in this way we can represent it in our report or thesis. So it can be in another way. So one of the example is this pie chart. And the last point is closed-ended questionnaire. Closed-ended question. So the seventh point is a closed-ended question. So the researcher will ask, suppose example is the sky is blue. So the interviewer means who are answering will answer only yes or no, because it is closed ended questionnaire. Means they can interpret or means tell out whatever they want, but they can say means they can reply only in yes or no, as it is closed ended. So these things are means characteristics of quantitative research. So in conclusion, what I want to say is that in quantitative research, it means that we will collect the data and we will interpret it in a form of numerical in our project work or thesis. So here I conclude my presentation. Thank you.